Lotus Egg recipe in China. A lonely onion.
Oh no!
Make multiple deep cuts with your left hand.
Plate it like a lotus.
Crack 4 eggs. Brutally beat it.
Water from Mississippi River.
Well mix it with grandma's chopsticks. Evenly pour it over onion. Steam for 15 minutes. Green onion.
Boiling oil.
Light soy sauce. The onion dusted. Out of this world.
Esse picolé de Oreo feito na própria embalagem fica muito gostoso. Vem aprender! No liquidificador acrescente o creme de leite, o leite em pó, a água e o leite condensado. Bata tudo muito bem. Quebre bem os biscoitos e depois coloque esse líquido dentro deles. Aí é só colocar um palitinho. Eu não tinha um de picolé, então eu utilizei o de churrasco partido ao meio. E então é só levar pro congelador por pelo menos 7 horas e olha só que maravilha. Depois é só passar no chocolate branco derretido com mais Oreo picadinho e fica essa perfeição. Aproveite e já envie essa receita para um amigo passar vontade com você.
You're nothing but an ex, expired, exit from my life. An ex, expired, exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An ex, expired, exit from my life. Bye bye. I don't miss your mind tricks or your lies. I don't miss when you're gone every night. I'm done being chained, done with your games, done being played for your entertainment. I'm not yours.
Turning steamed bread recipe in China. 2 whole eggs. Sugar.
Yeast powder.
Water from Mississippi River. Plain flour. Stir well with single hand. Let it sit for 40 minutes.
Sprinkle raisin.
Degas with grandma's chopsticks. Grease bowl with edible oil. Fill it up with batter.
Whole flakes.
Black sesame. Steam for half an hour.
Dish up.
Done and dusted. Out of this world.
We keep seeing their eyeballs glued to us on the sidewalk, but that look could kill. They are trying so hard to find all the weaknesses inside, but it's gonna spill. Oh, can we take a minute, turn and face the critics? Let's put flowers in our hair like we don't care. And dance a village clown moves. Nobody's stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and making me laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and we can clown around, yeah. And we can clown around, and it's just you and me.
Let's make chocolate jam bites. Start by mashing strawberries and raspberries. Then add some chia seeds and maple syrup and let sit for 20 minutes. Add dollops onto a plate, line with parchment paper. Let set in the freezer, dip in melted dark chocolate and enjoy!